Steenbok uke waba ngumthungathi wamakhono emaqenjini iKaizer Chiefs kanye neMamelodi Sundowns. Manje usengumqondisi wosomaqhinga omusha kuSAFA. iSAFA sekube isikhathi eside ingenayo umqondisi wosomaqhinga kusukela kwaphela inkontileka kaNiltove engavuselelwanga ngo2020.
It's very important that the relationship between the national coach and the professional coaches, you know, it's really in a good state, you know. So I will really encourage, you know, but I'll take it upon myself.
Steenbok useke waqeqesha amaqembu afana neBenoni Premier United kanye neBasotho Tigers esigabeni seNFD. Ungena nje emva kokushiya kobe yiphini likamqeqeshi webafana uSergio Merigeneski noseyingcenye yeSurprise.
SAFA has developed a lot of qualified coaches, you know, but sometimes maybe we don't take pride in what we have done, you know. So we should be able to replace anybody.
Ibhola labesifazane liyadlondlobala kakhulu njengoba sekubunjwe neleague yabesifazane kanye nokunqoba kwebanyana iWAFCON ngoNtulikazi. Kodwa kusekuningi okumele kwenziwe.
One of the short term goals, you know, for the TD is to support, of course, banyana. You know, banyana we're going to the World Cup. But again, you have seen what has happened against Brazil. So it means there's a lot of work to be done.
Uhlele ukuthi kube khona imidlalo yokuncweka namazwe aqinile kanye nokuqeqeshwa kwabadlali. uSteenbok ufuna nokwethula ibhola lezikole.
That's the space where you can have your legends and also your junior coaches who can play a critical space. We need to create a pathway for that.
uSteenbok unezincwadi zeCAF kanye neSAFA zokuqeqesha kanti waba ingcenye yosomaqhinga beMamelodi Sundowns eyanqoba iCAF Champions League kanye nezixoxo ezintathu.